Awesome. Good evening,
Okay.
everybody, and
What do
welcome,
you start
everybody.
recording?
Yeah, welcome, everybody. While we wait for others to join us, let's do a brief recap of what you have done so far so you can catch up. If you're very smart and then fast in learning, you should be able to catch up with what I'm about to do now. Um, okay, let's go into awesome. Uh, there is three things you have to know about the financial market. Three things you have to know. The first one is called technical analysis. The second one is called fundamental, and the third one is called psychology level. It's called psychology. Most times, where people have difficult issues more is the psychology level. There's in the psychology that is there, and then the risk management. But when you talk about the fundamental, the TA, rather, people get that. So this is what they call TA, this analysis. You can within 3 months, you can put consistency, you can get it. So TA is not difficult. But one of the things that is difficult there is psychology, your psychology. You have to play it out in the market. And then your risk management, because women are insatiable. So you always want to desire more, and you'll be tempted to go beyond the rules of the game. Am I talking, guys? So, so we dealt about psychology, and I think I explained risk management briefly as well. We will move into TA. We will move into TA. So that we will give an overview of what is there are three things. First one is psychology. Second one is risk management, and third one is technical analysis. That is called TA. Because there are three things, three tools you need. And the three tools you can never bypass as far as financial market is concerned. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm
Awesome.
with you.
So, um, awesome. And then out of what you call technical analysis, we have three types. Technical analysis, you can jump. They are out of those three. First is psychology levels. First is psychology. Second is risk management, and third is TA, technical analysis. Out of those analysis, there are three types again that people use to analyze the market. Some people use this what they call sentimental. Some use this what they call fundamental, and then we will use the term technical analysis. What do you call technical? Technical means what has occurred in the past. We are using to predict the future, that it will also occur in the future. These are the things what we call technical. These are the things called technical analysis. That is a line like this came from the future. So it's possible that you can also do the same thing in the future again. So that's what we call technical
So
analysis.
there's tendency for repetition in market.
Exactly. So that is the meaning of technical. That is why people analyze technical. So once you analyze
It's
the
based
correct,
on people base their analysis based on that
not based on
logical reason that
if a pattern
what
is
could have
there,
happened in the past could happen in the
the
future.
pattern that is drawn that
Same
is
same pattern that has been drawn in the past
that is the
can
intuition.
reoccur.
That is the intuition. And then based
But
on
my question now is, has that kind of thing work over time? Has there been
yeah, it does more than 10 times, 100 times it does. But you have to analyze
okay?
it first. You have to
But
analyze
does it fail sometimes as well?
Of
Does it
course
fail
it does because
sometimes?
market it does. Market dynamics. So you have to be
Okay.
flexible in the market. So once you analyze the market, you have to be flexible. You have to still be very,
Okay.
very flexible. So okay,
So
we have technical as well.
that market may not go your way the way you have predicted,
It has happened,
like the way.
doesn't mean it cannot change. Doesn't mean it may happen and
Okay.
still so it's still so but your analysis will determine how perfectness it will be. And then once you prove it, it will also show you the otherwise. So out of the analysis, so people use three ways to answer. Some people use what we call sentimental. Some people use called fundamental. Why the third one is called TA. Now, what is sentimental? Sentimental is simply what we call expert, or some people like me or some co guys decided to put out their bias on Twitter or on Facebook or on anything and say, oh, today I'm looking for a buy. I think this gold will buy today. I think GDP will buy today. This one will buy today. So that's what we call sentimental. So you now saw their chat or their post or their update on Twitter or Facebook or IG or anything, and you now decide to because since all this one they are saying is to buy, which I want to go for buy or to do so, and you now go
Based on their own sentiment.
as their own sentiment. So that's what
So
it call. So
they are just using their own. Even like let's go. Sorry to be using my own time, so based on some just use let's use like let's say for like football club, like okay, Chelsea will win today. So for
uh,
instance, if they don't longer win, that means
exactly,
just
that is it.
doesn't.
Exactly. I was saying to Ayeni as well that it has a similar ways, but it's very different. It
Very
has a
different.
similar
Okay.
way, but it's different in its uniform. The
Way
first
far
thing,
deeper than all those ones.
it's similar,
Uh,
but it's not the same. Just
mm,
like see, but we are to for Fakao Ayeni was that we have Tai Kinde. They are identical. They are similar.
mm,
They had the same height and they wear the same. But if you look at them, you will see that one or two still have different intuition, different mindset. And you
yeah,
see
yeah.
one will still always following the other. The other Tai is following Kehinde decisions, or Kehinde is following Tai decision. One will always be decision maker, while one will be the one that will follow that decision. Am I talking?
Okay.
We have
Yeah.
follow we have worked with twins very well. I've worked with some of them in my schools then I know of. So the one will always make the decision. Hey, let's do this thing. Okay, let's do. The other will follow. Why the other will always make decision. So if you watch them very well, they will always make one or two decisions. The other person will follow, will be the decision maker, while the other will follow. So that is to mean that one is a leader, one is a follower. Hey, aside from that, you also notice that one has a mentality that is a bit different from the other, no matter what. So that is how it, even though they are similar, they are identical in everything, but yet that that distinction that is still in them, that differences, little ones, each other show. So that's what differentiated the market from sporty or whatever you may call it. Are you with me?
Yeah.
That's it. So in that in analysis now, there are bit of analysis, mental analysis, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. This is the best because this one once you can get it right, you are on the right way. So this is the third one. So the first one is sentimental, which I just explained. People go online or see any people's bias and the guy to go with it and just think, oh, it will do that, do that. That is fine. So that is on your own. You get. So that's what you call sentimental. Sometimes it falls, sometimes it doesn't align. So the second one is called fundamental. That one is based on news. You must have been hearing about news. Hey, news is coming. News is coming. That news is coming. News update.
Okay.
News.
How do you guys get the news? How do you know the news and all that?
I will show you now. This is the place where we come to see the news for every week. Every week there will always be a news. Every week,
Okay.
always be a news.
So
Every week. This is this place.
that's fundamental.
You come to Forest Factory. Yes, that's fundamental. You come to Forest. If you type on your Google now, Forest Factory. When you come to
Dot
Forest
com.
Factory, you see all these stuffs. Then you come to calendar. When you come to calendar,
Okay.
you see the stuff here. Now good. This is
Okay.
fundamental now. This is for Sunday. Market don't open on Sunday. We resume on Monday.
Around the time the market open on Sunday.
Market open by 11:30 on Sunday. But we
Okay.
don't trade. It's not possible to always trade on that day. So
Okay.
so you need to see this fundamental. Now in fundamental, there are three things you have to know in fundamental. Anything you see this folder, yellow folder, orange folder,
Mm.
red folder. Can you see?
Right. I'm saying it.
Good. Yellow folder, red folder. Red one means high impact news. That is a news that you should more like Chelsea Arsenal. That one is
Yeah.
top. Yes. Or
Critical news. They
critical
are like
news.
critical news
Man
you
U
should check.
Liverpool today. Man U, I must watch them. I must watch them. This yellow means Norwich and Luton. I beg, you get. So they are
Like
nothing.
the less important.
So that's the why orange means medium. Whereas we don't even, in fact, as it's medium, say we don't count the two of them. What we only pay attention to is this red.
We'll go more with the critical news.
Exactly. Once it is this red, that's what we consider. Anything that is red that is yam, that's what we are. So any day, this one on Thursday, there is red. Now let's check this coming week now. Tomorrow is 7th. Let's see. Tomorrow is 8th, rather. Today is 7th. No news. As far as I'm concerned,
No
even
news.
itself, there is news, but they are not in part. This yellow, this
Okay,
one.
they don't have much impact in the market.
Exactly. Then you look at the currency. This one is euro. This one is Swiss pound. This one is Japan. This one is Japan
But
currency.
can we still in a way check those less important news to use them to trade to check
You can't.
their
It
news
doesn't
or
move. It doesn't move. We don't pay attention to them. Just
okay,
like
so far
you
they do
trying
not have
to
impact in the market. There's no need for us
exactly. So you
to
don't pay attention to them.
put
Yeah.
our
We just let it go. So we don't pay attention to them at all. Even if they come out anytime, it doesn't even move the market. Those high impact can move the market from 1 to 500 pips. 100 pips. So that's why we
those
pay
critical
attention.
news, those critical news,
Those red, they can move from within a second, they can do 100 pips. That one, I can't don't blow already. I can't don't blow already. So 21. So that's why. So Monday now, this coming Monday now, there is nothing. Yet yellow or orange, nothing. So you look at the pairs, which pair is coming out? This NZD. NZD means New Zealand dollar. GDP means Britain pounds. CSF means France. That's France. That is France news. Euro. EU they are in short form, just 3 forms. They don't write it there.
Yeah.
Just like Nigeria too. Nigeria is ING. That's Nigeria. So they are in short
Okay.
form. So euro means
Euro is euro. I can see that is euro.
Euro. Swiss francs. This is CHF means Swiss francs.
USD is dollar.
Is dollar. Yeah, that's USD. Yes, United States. JPY. That's
JPY.
Japan. JPY. That's
Japan
Japan.
currency.
That's Japan currency. CHF is Swiss francs. That is France currency.
France
GDP.
currency.
Yeah, GDP means Britain. That
Pounds,
is
right?
United Kingdom.
Great Britain.
NZD means
GP, that GP means Great Britain. New Zealand, have you?
This is New Zealand. NZD. Just looking at my cursor. Britain. This is GDP.
I'm seeing your cursor.
Yeah, Britain. This is Britain, United Kingdom. This is New Zealand. This is Britain again. So nothing on Monday. Let's go to Tuesday and see again.
AUD, AUD. Is that not AUD?
Yes, AUD. Can you guess? Just use idea.
Australian currency.
Awesome. Perfect. That's the same thing too. That's what's called Australian. So JPY means Japan. And this one means Euro. USD is United States. This one is France. United States, Japan. On Tuesday, there's no impact again. So we go to Wednesday. Then we come. Oh, this is what? NZD is what?
New Zealand.
Awesome. Then you go. So you look at if you don't here you are carrying, you take any pair.
Okay.
Expect this New Zealand to move. If it is NZD USD, NZD Euro, NZD JPY, NZD anything, expect a move because of this high impact news. And what time will that news come out? When you look at the time, 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
In our own time, here is 2 a.m.
Okay.
Time you see that it's 2 a.m. Look at that time.
Okay. Is there a possibility of we trading another time zone?
I will tell you that one. The best time to trade if you're in Nigeria is Britain and United States. Britain, we are just 1 hour ahead of Britain. Britain, when we are 8.
That's US. That's UK.
UK, yes. So we trade in the morning and afternoon. So it's best to trade at that moment. So Britain's session commences by 7 to 8. It will be 8 o'clock in Nigeria time. So that's when the session commences. While the United States open, their session commences by 1 o'clock. By 12, it's 7 o'clock at their place. 1 o'clock is around 8 o'clock at their place. Well, actually, it's 1 o'clock at our own place. So that's when the market opens. Good. So that's the 2 times to always best to trade. So we now see that on Wednesday there's high impact. Look again, USD, that is United States, high impact again. So they are trading United States by 11:31. You should be careful of this USD. You should be careful if you're expecting a move with this, what we are seeing now. Let's say an high impact move, a dish move that can spike up anytime. Cut your SL, cut your stop loss, and or hit your TP. So those crazy stuffs, that is what this one means. Now, if you go to two again, around 145, you see card. What is this? What does this stand for? Which country?
Canadian dollar.
Awesome. That's Canadian. Awesome. Just $500. So any currency you are taking that has to do with card to be expecting an high impact news in my two, like 145 as well. Then again, 230, like $100 again. And lastly, 6 a.m. Be expecting it as well. That is this
USD
one.
from dollar.
This my time is 1 hour difference. So it's 1 hour backward. This should be 7. So your own
Okay.
time will be very accurate. I don't know why. My Forex factory is giving me UK time because Nigeria is 1 hour ahead of UK. Don't know why. Maybe I'll have to log in.
Okay, must it give you their time there
It
or
will give you
something?
your own exact time, Nigeria time. It's not Nigeria time. This is UK time. I
Okay.
just know, but you won't know. But we should give you normal time. Once you are done with the class, go to Forex Factory and go and check. You should give
Okay,
you
I will check.
this should be 7. It be 7. That is your Nigeria time. That is 7. So me, I just noticed that this lately I've been receiving UK time, but normally it's meant to be. I've never seen it before. I've never received UK time before. It's meant to be Nigerian time normally. But I don't know what's going on. Maybe because I log in my this thing, I don't even know. But I keep receiving the structure as if I'm in UK. I'm not in UK. I'm in Nigeria, man. So I keep getting so once
You
wherever
soon you are getting there soon.
wherever you are, it will give you the time and a structure like that. So at your hand, it should give you the normal time. All this 6 weeks, see, this 6 weeks definitely be 7. And
Okay.
this one
I,
definitely be
I,
3 days.
I will cross check
Go
when
and
I
check it. Yeah.
come.
So you know that you are expecting an high impact news on Wednesday. So also Thursday, you see the red euro, anything slash euro pair, you're expecting high impact. You come again, you see around 12:30, that is 1:30 in Nigerian time. Dollar, oh, United States, these three will also move the market by one.
So you work with you have to be checking the news like okay,
Exactly
we have
every each
already
day
read
that you want
ahead
to
the
trade.
news. Now
Each,
you are aware. By that time
each
you have to
day,
go check the news.
exactly. Once you are done analyzing the market, or you want to analyze the market, each day you come in to come and check the news. Remember, I
Okay,
told you
before
that
you
there are 3 ways to analyze. The first one is technical,
yeah,
the second one is fundamental,
technical
and the
yes.
third one is sentiment.
Yeah,
Sentiment is meant to be
sentiment.
gestation, meant to be dished
Yeah,
away.
okay.
It's meant to be dished away. If you want
Sentimental
to grow
trading,
yourself,
sentimental analysis should be do away with.
that's sentiment. Trying to go online and look for people that say, oh, my bias is buying, my bias is sell. I've done it before, it doesn't work. I went to Trading View, during that time I was still working. Went to Trading View and then I will see a lot of guys buy, but and most thing when I notice is when out of 10 people, if 8 people is buying, 2 people are selling.
That's a sense that some do not do due diligence in what they
Exactly.
put out.
So if out of 20 people, if 15 is saying buy, and then only 5 or 4 is saying sell, most times it's those few ones that will be right. So me, I will not go with
Yeah,
those ones that they are saying, those are many, everybody's buying. Let me follow you. You always will be you be more relaxed when you're following the
we
crowd.
do with the majority now.
You
We
will
go with
relax when you're
majority.
following the majority. So you think they are the right. Yes, they are the wrong way. So I never knew. So I will also take the action and go with them. So you be more relaxed when you're following the crowd or when you be with the crowd. So you think it's the right. So it's already normal. Your mindset will agree with that. Your mindset, your mentality will just believe that, oh, you're right. That's it. Whereas if you're following the few, so you'll be doubting yourself, you're just 5 saying this. So it will be unsure. But that might register more comfortable word for you once you guys are with the crowd. So that's how it works. So that's why it's not a good way to start up. If you want to go in this stuff, I want to be professional, don't even think of sentimental at all. We're just explaining to you guys so you can know.
The
So you
best way to go with now is I'm still getting like the fundamental is okay, and the what are we doing now? I think we are doing the
technical.
fundamental now. Technical.
We'll talk about the three. We'll talk about
Technical
three.
is when the market repeats itself now.
You said what?
Technical is when they we are expecting a kind of same pattern to repeat itself.
Exactly. That is when we are historical things to come over in the
Yeah.
future. Yeah. So this one is
Okay.
exact. Very fundamental is this one that
Okay.
happened. Exact. So
Fundamental don't have to do with the news.
yeah, it has to do with the news for the day. The news for the day. So
Okay.
once you're about to analyze, you have to come here to check. Now we come on Thursday. I assume I want to analyze on Thursday now. I want to analyze gold. I want to analyze gold now. This is where the market is. So after I've seen I've done everything, I come to call it for it's called Forex Factory. Forex Factory. I come there. And I look at Thursday, I look at is there any high impact that I want to smash or or spike my trade, and then I'll be able to take away my stop loss, and I will blow my account. There is none. Fine, I'm good to go. Then you go, there is then you pay attention to it. Which one and which one? Euro and USD. It is the pair you want to trade. You must be very careful. Which is that you want to avoid the pair that will be high impact. You can pick another pair and trade. That is for you. Okay. So as a
Okay.
professional, I prefer to even trade
So
themselves
does
because
that mean you have to avoid um
I'm
uh
saying, no, I'm saying it's left to you based on your professionalism because the impact will be push, and if they are against you, it's a
no,
loss. It's a loss.
I'm putting the question back to you now. That does that mean we have to avoid
I don't
trading
avoid
currency
them.
pair that
How
has
may how
cyclical
I don't
impact?
avoid them. I don't
No, I
avoid
know
them.
that based on your own
I'm a
experience over
professional.
time. I
So as a
know. I'm just
professional,
saying.
so I'm expert.
So
I
me that
I
I'm
even
an
love it.
amateur or a novice
So
per
it
se.
will
Let me say
listen,
novice
okay?
per se.
You can. It's your choice. As I said, you can try. You can. There's no one way to this market. I don't give people my students rigid. I don't want to be rigid. I want you guys to be flexible. The news can help
Okay.
you, it can damage you. If you are right, it will
Okay.
give you more pips. If you are wrong, it will damage
Oh.
you. Just like car.
So
Just like
Ojú
car.
ọdẹ
Car can take you to where you're going to. And if you also
ice
have
can kill.
accident, background, if you will land you in hospital. So we not
Ojú
say
ẹ̀gbọ́n
I don't want to
nìyẹn
get
o.
a car. Am I talking?
I'm with
Awesome.
you.
So that is it. So it's a two-way thing. So you have to pay attention when you see that it is this thing. Then that is for that. So and again, what you should know is this. All this fundamental stuff. I want you to know. We'll end this class soon. Maybe and we'll end this class soon. I want this to be too long so that we can
Yeah.
move to the technical and do a somewhat an overview on that one, and then we call it today. So at least you can have
Okay.
insight about what you're doing. So so
Okay.
so that is for that, yeah. And also what you should know is that a peer is always clash with a peer. Let me show you. See,
Okay.
Gola, see from here. You cannot see one single pair to trade. You only see it slash. See,
Okay.
SUG, this one means gold.
There's always currency pair now.
Yes, gold slash dollar. This one now
Mm. I
means
think I've.
AUD slash
Okay.
USD. That is what
What's
Australian
that XAD? What's that
X. That
SAD?
one means gold slash dollar.
Okay.
SAU means gold slash dollar. AUD, you already know
Okay.
AUD now, Australian, right?
Australian dollars time.
Slash USD, awesome. So this one too, New Zealand slash dollar. So everything, so they have many, but Nigeria don't have a stable economy. Your country is not there.
Okay. Okay.
You don't have a
So
stable
now the
economy.
currency pair you are trading now, like all those
You say
currency, you say
what?
all those currency comes in pair, bar.
The country peers that are there that have a stable economy. So that's why.
Okay.
So
So
you
they
always see
always
them.
come in pairs.
They come in pairs. You can't see one. You can always come in slash pair because of what we are buying and selling. So if you are saying this
You are
one is
buying
buy,
and
you
selling.
buy this one.
So wait,
That's why it comes in
my
pairs.
question now is: Are we buying those ones that are pairs together? Are we buying and selling those that are pairs together, or we?
The,
How do
the,
we go
the
about that?
market comes in pairs. Like they are
Okay.
pair. Or you usually see two pair together. Two pairs. They are comparing it. Two pair together.
Okay.
Two pair together. Two pair together.
Okay.
So you can never see one pair. Look, there's no way you can see one pair.
OGM, I got that.
Let me come again. Let me end this class so we can take that explanation and turn it to something else. Let me end the class so we can let me stop.